Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Saim.
Today, we are going to practice English with a very useful topic.
Yes, today's topic is healthy food.
We will help you learn how to talk about healthy food in easy English.
You can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
So, if you want to improve your English listening and speaking, you are in the right place.
And before we start, please like this episode, subscribe, and join our learning community.
Yes, come learn with us every day.
Today's lesson is simple, friendly, and practical.
We will do it in 3 steps. Listen, discuss, listen again.
That means first, you listen to a short conversation,
Then we discuss the words and phrases.
and then you listen again and feel more confident.
Little by little, you improve.
And you are improving already.
Good job for being here today.
Okay, let's begin with healthy food.
Saim, do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I do. I try to eat healthy food every day.
What healthy food do you like?
I like apples, bananas, eggs, and salad.
That sounds nice. My quick breakfast is a banana and yogurt.
That is simple and healthy.
Yes, it is. I also drink water in the morning.
Very good. Water is important.
Now, let's discuss. Okay, let's talk about some key phrases.
Our first phrase is healthy food.
Healthy food is food that is good for your body.
For example, fruit, vegetables, eggs, rice, chicken, nuts, and yogurt.
Yes, apples are healthy food.
Salad is healthy food.
Water is healthy too.
Our next phrase is, I try to eat healthy food every day.
This is a very useful daily English phrase.
You can use I try to when something is your goal.
For example, I try to drink more water. I try to eat more vegetables.
Very nice, short and easy.
And another phrase is, my quick breakfast is a banana.
A quick breakfast means a simple breakfast that takes little time.
For example, my quick breakfast is a banana. My quick breakfast is toast and tea. My quick breakfast is yogurt and fruit.
That's great. Real English for real life.
Now listen again.
And this time, try to understand every sentence.
Saim, do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I do. I try to eat healthy food every day.
What healthy food do you like?
I like apples, bananas, eggs, and salad.
That sounds nice. My quick breakfast is a banana and yogurt.
That is simple and healthy.
Yes, it is. I also drink water in the morning.
Very good. Water is important.
Good job. That was part 1.
Nice and easy.
Saim, what do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds good. What about lunch?
For lunch, I eat rice, chicken, and vegetables.
And for dinner?
For dinner, I like soup or salad.
Very healthy.
I try to keep it simple.
Now let's discuss. Now let's look at meal words.
We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast is your first meal in the morning.
Lunch is usually in the middle of the day.
Dinner is your evening meal.
You can say, for breakfast, I usually eat eggs.
Or, for lunch, I eat rice and vegetables.
Or, for dinner, I like soup.
We also heard this phrase, I usually eat.
This is a very useful daily English phrase.
Repeat after us. I usually eat fruit for breakfast.
I usually eat rice for lunch.
I usually eat soup for dinner.
Very good. Another nice phrase is, I try to keep it simple.
That means you do not want something difficult or complicated.
A simple meal can be very good.
Yes, healthy food does not need to be fancy.
That's a great point. Listen again.
Let's listen again.
What do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds good. What about lunch?
For lunch, I eat rice, chicken, and vegetables.
And for dinner?
For dinner, I like soup or salad.
Very healthy.
I try to keep it simple.
Nice work.
You are learning useful English for everyday life.
What is your favorite healthy food?
My favorite healthy food is fruit.
Really? What kind of fruit?
I like bananas, apples, and oranges.
I like fruit too. I also love avocado.
Oh, avocado is very popular.
Yes, and it is good in salads and sandwiches. Now let's discuss. Now let's practice talking about likes.
The question is, what is your favorite healthy food?
This is a great conversation question.
You can answer, my favorite healthy food is fruit.
Or, my favorite healthy food is salad.
Or even, my favorite healthy food is yogurt.
Then someone may ask, what kind?
That means, please tell me more.
For example, I like fruit. What kind? I like bananas and apples.
Very natural.
You can also say, I love avocado.
Remember, like is good. Love is stronger.
Yes, I like salad. I love mangoes.
That's a great example.
Thank you. Listen again. What is your favorite healthy food?
My favorite healthy food is fruit.
Really? What kind of fruit?
I like bananas, apples, and oranges.
I like fruit too. I also love avocado.
Oh, avocado is very popular.
Yes, and it is good in salads and sandwiches.
Good job, everyone.
If you understood more the second time, that is progress.
Sarah, why do you like healthy food?
Because it makes me feel good.
What kind of healthy food do you enjoy?
I enjoy fresh food. I like light meals, and I like sweet fruit.
That sounds nice. Fresh fruit is great in summer.
Yes, a fresh salad is perfect on a hot day.
Very nice.
You're doing great. Do you eat snacks?
Yes, I do, but I try to choose healthy snacks.
What healthy snacks do you eat?
I eat nuts, fruit, or yogurt.
That sounds good. Do you drink soda?
Not much. I usually drink water or tea.
Same here. I try not to drink too much sugar. Now let's discuss.
This part is very practical.
Yes, because many people talk about snacks and drinks every day.
First, the word snack.
A snack is a small thing you eat between meals.
For example, a banana, yogurt, nuts, or crackers.
Then we have the phrase, I try to choose healthy snacks.
Very nice English.
You can also say, I try to choose healthy drinks. Now, another useful phrase, not much.
This means only a little.
Example, do you eat candy?
Not much.
Do you drink coffee?
Not much.
And one more phrase, too much sugar.
Sugar is common in soda, candy, and some snacks.
You can say, I try not to eat too much sugar.
Or, this drink has too much sugar.
Excellent. Listen again. Do you eat snacks?
Yes, I do, but I try to choose healthy snacks.
What healthy snacks do you eat?
I eat nuts, fruit, or yogurt.
That sounds good. Do you drink soda?
Not much. I usually drink water or tea.
Same here. I try not to drink too much sugar.
Great listening.
And great practice. Listen.
What do you take for lunch to work?
Sometimes I take a sandwich, fruit, and water.
That sounds easy.
Yes, and sometimes I bring salad with chicken.
Do your friends eat healthy food too?
Some do and some don't.
That's real life.
Yes, but I always try to make a good choice. Discuss. Now let's practice real-life conversation.
This is very useful for work, school, or daily life.
One key phrase is, what do you take for lunch?
This means, what food do you bring with you?
You can answer, I take a sandwich and fruit.
Or, I take rice and vegetables.
Next phrase, I bring salad with chicken.
Bring means you take something with you.
Then we heard, some do and some don't.
This is a useful way to talk about a group.
For example, do your friends like tea?
Some do and some don't.
Or do your family members eat spicy food?
Some do and some don't.
And finally, I always try to make a good choice.
A good choice means a smart or healthy decision.
Very good. Listen again.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and fruit.
What is your favorite healthy snack?
My favorite healthy snack is yogurt.
Do you drink a lot of water?
Yes, I do. I try to drink water every day.
Do you eat too much sugar?
No, not much. Discuss. Now let's slow it down.
Question 1. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Your answer can be simple.
For example, I usually eat bread. I usually eat fruit. I usually eat eggs.
Question 2. What is your favorite healthy snack?
Example answers. My favorite healthy snack is yogurt. My favorite healthy snack is nuts. My favorite healthy snack is an apple.
Question 3. Do you drink a lot of water?
Answers. Yes, I do. Or, not really, but I try to.
Question 4. Do you eat too much sugar?
Answers. No, not much. Or, sometimes, yes.
That's okay. Simple and honest answers are great.
Exactly. English does not need to be perfect, it needs to be clear.
That is such an important point. Listen again.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and fruit.
What is your favorite healthy snack?
My favorite healthy snack is yogurt.
Do you drink a lot of water?
Yes, I do. I try to drink water every day.
Do you eat too much sugar?
No, not much. Excellent.
Good job.
Hey, Saim, I'm hungry.
Me too. Do you want a snack?
Yes, please. Do we have anything healthy?
We have bananas, yogurt, and nuts.
Great. I'll have a banana.
I'll have yogurt.
And let's drink some water, too.
Good idea.
Discuss. This is a very natural conversation.
Yes, you can use this at home, at school, or at work.
First phrase, I'm hungry.
Very common, very useful.
You can also say, I'm thirsty.
Hungry for food, thirsty for water or drinks.
Then, do you want a snack?
A nice, friendly question.
Then, do we have anything healthy?
This means, is there any healthy food here?
And 2 more useful lines. I'll have a banana. I'll have yogurt.
This means, I choose this.
And finally, good idea.
A very common answer in English.
Listen again. Hey, Saim, I'm hungry.
Me too. Do you want a snack?
Yes, please. Do we have anything healthy?
We have bananas, yogurt, and nuts.
Great. I'll have a banana.
I'll have yogurt.
And let's drink some water, too.
Good idea.
Nice.
You can really use that today.
Wrap up. Wow, we learned a lot today.
Yes, we did, and you did a great job.
Today, we talked about how to talk about healthy food in simple English.
Let's quickly recap some key phrases.
Healthy food.
I try to eat healthy food every day.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
For breakfast, I usually eat eggs and bread.
My favorite healthy food is fruit.
I like fresh food.
I try to choose healthy snacks.
Not much.
Too much sugar.
I always try to make a good choice.
I'm hungry.
Do you want a snack?
I'll have a banana.
Good idea.
These are real phrases for real life.
And when you hear them again, they will feel familiar.
That is how progress happens.
Listen.
Practice.
Repeat.
And listen again.
Little by little, your English gets stronger.
So please don't worry if everything is not perfect today.
You are learning.
You are improving.
And we are proud of you.
Before we go, here's a fun question for our community.
Tell us in the comments, what healthy food do you eat for breakfast?
And another one, what time do you wake up?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend.
Keep going.
Keep practicing.
And remember,
You're improving already.
see you next time.
Bye, everyone.